So we've created a brand new Fitness Pilates Deep Dive bundle. Now over the last year we have done multiple deep dives into a wide range of common issues, conditions, medical issues that people who come to our classes every single day tend to have. So Kelly has done a deep dive research, exercises to do, exercises to avoid, understanding the condition, and we've taught them all as standalone workshops, but now I've bundled them all together and you can get access to all of them. Now if you bought these workshops individually it would cost you over £175, but we've put them all together and you get them all for £99. There are so many ideas here, so many. You could do specialist classes, you can cater for different medical conditions, and it will really help you stand out from the crowd. And over summer, why not create some very small short courses around these common conditions? I know they will be super popular. Click the link below and grab it before the end of the weekend.